Hi, I'm Jemma. Welcome to the Creating at Home series for Create Studio. I'm at home today and I have a project for you that you can do at home and have a lot of fun with throughout the rest of the summer and well into the fall or even year round. We're making plastic bottle bowling pins for indoor or outdoor use. So what you'll need is just a few things to get started. Here we go. We're going to pick out 10 matching plastic bottles. So this may be something you have to collect over time or you may have around the house. And then we're going to be painting the insides and then we're putting a label on them. So we'll start with the bottle, and to make it color, which just makes it more fun, we're going to take regular old craft paint. Mine has gotten other paint on top of it, but it's just a kind of a liquidy craft paint. You can use a washable paint or other paint that you have around the house. It's nice when it's a little bit liquidy because then it'll get around all the sides quickly. And then we're going to shake it up. So I'm going to need a little more. Well, maybe not. So you just kind of tap it around. That makes a loud sound. And get it all where you want it. So maybe I will add just a little more, but it's pretty fun too. You can do each bottle a different color. You're going to want to have 10 bottles all together, as I said, and that's 10 separate bowling pins. So your bottles are your bowling pins. And let's see if I can get that all around. Okay, so that part might take a few more minutes, so we'll leave it here for now. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of just plain old paper. It can be lined paper, but it just needs to be light enough that you can write on top of it and know what it is. So I'm going to make this, I can get a bunch of labels out of this. I'm making them a little wider than the label already on the bottle. So I just folded it over, and a cool trick is if you keep going over the fold with your hand a bunch of times, and you can even flip it around and go backwards and do that a bunch of times. You don't even need a pair of scissors. You can just tear it. So let's see how I'm going to take it slow. See if my tearing works the way I want it to. There we go. So now we have a strip, and we're going to take it and put it around the bottle. Of course, you can draw on it before you put it on or after. I am putting it on, and then I will just write a number. You could create different designs for each bottle. If you have a big household, then you can have a different bottle for each person as far as decorating goes. And then for the actual game, you will want to set up all 10 pins together. I'm going to include a link about how to play a game of bowling that is typically meant for a bowling alley, but you can take the principles and apply it to the game or just make your own game up at home. So each bottle would have a number 1 through 10, so each number on each bottle. And that's pretty much all you need. The last part that's really important for playing bowling games is a ball. I thought it would be fun to go for a smaller ball. This happens to be a golf ball, but you can use like a high bouncer ball or one of those small handballs, and you'll line up all of your bottles in an order where I think you would probably put 5 in the back row, 4 in the next row, 3, 2, so on, and create a triangle. And then you're trying to bowl as many pins over as you can. So that's the idea, and then the link will give you a sense of how to do points. So I hope you enjoy this project and have lots of fun bowling at home. Have a great day.